Hello everybody, it is Friday the 30th of October 2009. Hope everyone is doing magnificent. Got a lot to cover on this program. I'm going to start off with WebBot. All month I have been talking about the October 25th prophecies. I had a lot of people messaging me on the 25th, 26th, and for that matter all week long, stating that WebBot was nothing more than a failure. No reason to take it seriously for that matter. And I was stating on Monday, well, how do you know it was a failure? I was unaware of Catmark falling at that time, but I was aware of the swine flu announcement that Barack Obama did on Saturday. And even then, you still don't know what happens behind the scenes. I was talking about the October release in a previous video where banks shut down the system and they were doing something. What they did, I don't know. But we've seen a lot of volatility in the stock market, and the powers that be are not going to be telling you all this information. So you wake up on Monday, you see there was no nukes anywhere, no bombs anywhere, the stock market wasn't down 15%, and you think nothing was going to happen. A lot of stuff goes behind the scenes, stays behind the scenes until the information is revealed. It's not like they came out on September the 11th, 2001 and said, yeah, we did it, it was us. No, I'm not saying that the powers that be did it, I'm just saying that it was probable that they did it. So something probably did happen behind the scenes. The October release was a lot of evidence. I had a few people private message me stating that they've seen technical difficulties within it from so many different countries, that something really did go on. So we had Catmark filing for bankruptcy. They are the biggest commercial real estate lender. Today we had CIT Group. They got a loan of $1 billion, and CNBC still even says that they're most likely bankrupt, and I say they're definitely going to be bankrupt because of how the system works. People say, oh, you can't predict the future. Well, I can predict this. If I push 2 plus 2 on a calculator, I'm gonna say it equals 4. And sure enough, it does. And I'm saying that because simple math or intermediate math can give us the answers to why this is going to happen. It all starts off with interest and a central bank's monopolization of the money supply. It guarantees debt. I got this information from Money as Debt, Zeitgeist Addendum, and there's just so many other different videos and articles that have clarified that situation. So it's guaranteed. Citigroup today, they had to write down $10 billion in tax assets. Citigroup is unable to comment on the situation. So a lot has been going on. Expect to see a lot more happening as we move on to the first week of November and into 2010. This week the markets got tagged. S&P down over 4, Dow Jones down over 2.5%, NASDAQ down over 5%, and the Canadian stock market down over 4.5%. I've been mentioning a lot of technical indicators to show tops on the market. We need to see the volatility index over 30. That happened today. We need to see the volatility index, both the 50 and the 100-day moving average, start to rise. That is now the case. And this is the highest the VIX has been in about, since July. So that's pretty big. GDP grew 3.5%. Yet it's a government number. People get all excited about the situation, and it's all phony. What else is there? Not really too much. The volume did pick up on the stock market on the 21st, which is the day of the top, or so far the top, and that's another reason to believe of a switch over. Remember, stock market is all printed money. This is $100 trillion on a one piece of paper. That's how easy it is to print money. So government says, oh, we need $50 trillion for this. Just print it. But in reality, that doesn't work. That's why I've been talking big about real assets, gold, silver, food, equipment, whatever you can think that's useful. In the process of getting it of dollars, I do think the dollar is going to rally for a short period of time. I would myself, I'm thinking about putting short orders in when it hits that 200-day moving average, because that's when I think it's going to top. I might be right, I might be wrong, and it may never even see it, and my position may never get filled. So be it. Thank you for watching. Peace out, everyone. Take care.